Confused by Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet? Let's untangle the mystery in just 90 seconds. First up, Coinbase. Think of it as your beginner-friendly crypto exchange. You can easily buy, sell, and trade popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's super convenient because they hold your crypto for you, just like a bank holds your money. Security is paramount. Coinbase implements strong measures like two-factor authentication and keeps a large portion of their digital assets in secure, offline storage. Plus, some holdings are even insured against losses. Now, let's dive into Coinbase Wallet. It's a self-custody wallet, meaning you, and only you, control your private keys. Think of it as your own personal crypto vault. This gives you full ownership and access to a wider range of cryptocurrencies and even NFTs. Because you control the keys, you are responsible for its security. Write down your recovery phrase and keep it safe, because if you lose it, you'll lose access to your crypto. So, Coinbase is great for beginners buying and selling crypto. Coinbase Wallet is for those who want ultimate control and to explore the wider world of DeFi and NFTs. In summary, Coinbase prioritizes user-friendliness and security through custody, while Coinbase Wallet offers complete control, broader crypto support, and access to NFTs at the cost of increased responsibility. Choose wisely based on your comfort level and crypto goals.